Hi guys, make a milkshake with me. Okay, so get your ice cream and get your little cup thing for whatever. Like whatever it is you use. I use the Magic Bullet blender for my milkshakes. Mommy, what's that?
Hello.
Hi, Mommy. Okay, so get your ice cream. Mama, how many scoops should I do? I already have one in there. 4. Okay. I went through 4 scoops of ice cream, but like the scoops are kind of small, so yeah. I'm big back. I don't know if you guys knew that. I got it. Okay, so I have my ice cream right there, and then I add a little bit of milk. And I'm gonna add a little bit of chocolate syrup to my thing. Just a little bit. Because, yeah. Yes, Mom. Huh? Yes, I know this is really unhealthy, but my parents don't. No? No. No, sir. Sorry. Like, I know this is really healthy. I was about to say healthy. I know this is really unhealthy, but like, since it's the weekend, my parents don't really care. But like, because it's 8 o'clock, my parents, like, normally not. Let me do this at 8 o'clock. Okay. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, so, loud noise. Okay, so, oh. It's very thick. It needs like a little bit more milk. Yeah, no, it definitely needs more milk because I literally put it upside down and it didn't fall. Okay, so I added my milk. So, yeah. Okay, so I got it all mixed up. So, yeah, now it's done. No, I do not do this often. I do this like once every 3 to 5 months. Sometimes I won't even do it for an entire year. Like, it's just something extra and something fun. It's very, very good.